Alright, the motorboat snowmobile, Evinrude. I like it. Like the blue and white and red combo.
This one was.
Looks to be in excellent shape. 1974. Evinrude Quiet Flite. I can't read. Well, I can read. It does say Quiet Fight rather than Flight. So it's a Quiet Flite Evinrude. If you're gonna be driving a snowmobile across open water, I guess this is the one that you would choose. Because it's made by Evinrude, maybe it'll float. If you go fast enough anyway and have wide enough skis, it looks like pretty wide skis on there. I think you could maybe float a little bit. Got grab bars on the side. I rather like this one. Even though it's not a RUP snowmobile, it's pretty awesome. Thank you for watching this video, and consider watching some of these additional videos on this YouTube channel.